The reason why you want to start that side hustle is so you can buy that Gucci bag or that Lamborghini. I know. I can tell you how to make money fast, find a part-time job, do food or grocery delivery, dog or babysit, but is that really gonna help you long term? Yes. No! These make money fast ideas are just a band-aid effect. If the goal is to earn a lot of money, you gotta do something that's scalable and profitable. But this only works if you see yourself doing it for 2, 3, or even 10 years. But Eric, that's a long time. This is a lot faster than retirement. So the first side hustle, and probably the best, is to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. If you appreciate this video, a simple like will help a lot. Alright, so the first side hustle is to double down on your strengths.
What?
It's a lot easier than you think. Everybody has unfair advantages. Maybe you find computer coding a lot of fun, but for me it's a lot of work and I just can't understand it.
Please, no! 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 No!
But what I'm good at is playing the piano and creating talking videos like these. Chances are, the skills that you have can be monetized. If you like cooking, you can start a YouTube channel. You can teach people how to cook. You can write your own blog or book. Or if you enjoy playing the guitar, you can teach people or do side gigs. This does take some time and some work, but it is a lot of fun, and especially if it's something you love to do. But Eric, what if my skills don't pay me money? You can look learning into a new skill. There are some skills in this world that pay more than others. You can try video editing, coding, copywriting, or social media marketing. I'm just scratching the surface, but what you want to do is find something you really like to do. From there, figure out different ways to make money from it. Just talking in general, depending on what you do, you can start a course, you could do client work, one-on-one consulting, you could teach people or write a book. I know this video is titled 7 Best Side Hustle, but that's pretty much it. What? You clickbait me? I did. Try affiliate marketing, dropshipping, real estate, invest in stocks and cryptos and NFTs, make YouTube videos, sales. Just find your bread and butter and milk it. And same general advice, find different ways to make multiple income streams to make a lot of money if that's your goal. And drop me a like down below and a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Told my brothers one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that paycheck.